Hey everybody, this is Dave. Me and my wife and I have been looking for backup cameras for our Jayco that we purchased, our 2021, and we decided we would contact Haloview to ask them about reviewing their backup camera system. Well, they up and sent us this. Let's see what's in the box. Folks, in this box, all the everything that I believe they sent me, everything that I need to install this backup camera. Lordy, have mercy! I don't know if I can get all this hooked up or not, but I think it's going to be pretty easy. And then also to go along with the main backup camera, we've got some side cameras, which now I'll show you what comes in this box. And in this box, we got two side cameras, with each one having its own individual antenna that'll help boost the signal to the monitor. And I see we've got our little connectors here to go for the wiring. And we're going to put this on a 2021 Jayco SLX 264BH. I believe we're going to start with this first one here. It was the first originally wired for a Furrion backup camera system. And then this backup camera, the bracket's already here for the Furrion. But like I said, we're going to swap this out for a Haloview. Okay, let's start by removing this cover. And let's swap it out and put this Haloview on here. Let's see how it's going to turn out. All right, folks, we've got the cameras fully installed. It was pretty late whenever I finished up, and I said, you know, we'll just wait till there's a pretty blue sky out here, and we can show you a better picture quality. But anyways, the camera looks really good. You know, they're really mounted really close. Looks really slick on here. Of course, you got your camera right there with the antenna. I like that antenna on there. It sticks up real good. Of course, you can adjust this. Got the little notches that you can adjust it out. It just really depends on how much of an angle that you want to go out. I mean, you can adjust it any way you want to. Let me show you the rear camera. It looks really good on here. Get where I can see the sun's really bright, but sure glad to have it. The only thing that I'm not really don't really care for is the way the wiring turned out as far as the little adapter. I tried to shove it into the back of the monitor. The back of the camera box there. That was the only thing that I don't really care for. As far as the wire that goes up, I'm okay with that. But anyways, it's also the same with the side camera. You got your notches that you can adjust out. So it just depends on if you want to go extremely close to the bumper or if you want to go further out, especially when you're going down the highway, so you kind of keep an eye on what's coming up behind you. All right, let's go down and I'll show you the side. Yeah, of course, this is the right-hand side. I call it the right-hand side. It's the passenger side of your vehicle. Like I said, it mounted really close. Looks really good. And of course, this one's the same way. You got your notches. You just take it and adjust it in whatever direction you want it to be looking at. Like I said, of course, the antenna sticks up there, and it looks pretty sharp to me. I like that. All right, let's step inside and I'll show you how the camera looks on the inside from all directions. Folks, I also wanted to point out that the rear camera, it comes with that signal booster that'll bring it closer to the truck. That'll kind of help you where you don't lose any signal while you're going down the road and such, or even trying to back up. It just, the stronger the signal is to the monitor, the more of the less chance you'll lose your picture. But anyways, I apologize for being so shaky. Anyways, it comes with those little pre-tabs, little 3M stickers that you put up there. All right, let's go back inside. Okay, let's get in here and I'll show you. Let's see, let's turn it on, and there you go. Powers up. All right, you can adjust your settings as far as which camera you want to look at. Of course, that's camera 2. I had camera 1 along the driver's door, and I got camera 2 on the passenger side going down. Of course, there's the rear camera. I kind of like it there because you can, the way my camper's designed, you got your the spare tire that mounts on the bumper. Just a few feet from it, you got your red, and step out a little bit, you got your yellow, and then your green. So I like that, kind of, so you'll know when you start backing up, you can, it kind of helps you, guide you when you're backing up, being that's really a major blind spot there. I think these cameras are going to turn out really good. Of course, there is one, you can also turn it that way. That's the way I like it, because, if you want to make, especially when you're backing in somewhere, if you set it on all all 3 sides, you got your left side, right side, and your backup. Now this camera does come equipped. You can have 4 cameras on this if you like. Later on I may get one to put on the rear tag. That'll kind of help me guide up, when I back up to hooking up the trailer to the truck, the camper trailer to the truck. But anyways, we're gonna try this going down the road, and let's see how it turns out. All right, folks, we are currently going down the road right now, as you can see. And what I was going to show you is in my mirror coming through. Of course, you can see a car coming up there, but the camera that is mounted on my left-hand side, which is this one right here. As you can see, also the signal there is maxed out, so we're doing really good on the signal. And we're going to switch cameras. There is the right side, which is the passenger side of the vehicle, and as you can see, the signal is coming in really good. And then we're going to switch it again, which is going to be my rear camera. Also, that's coming in extremely well. So far the Halo system is doing pretty good so far. We're going to do a little bit more testing on it to see how it goes, but so far so good. All right, folks, we are going down the road. We're going roughly about 67 miles an hour, and as you can see, the camera's doing really well so far. There's the signal that's coming in. The camera that we're talking about is one that's coming up right there. There's a car coming up right there beside us. But anyways, that's the left-hand side of the truck, and we're going to switch cameras, and I'll show you the right-hand side. And you can see right there, the signal is doing really well. And then let's switch over to the rear, and there's the rear there. Of course, I like to leave those little park lanes in the back. It kind of helps guide me whenever I'm backing up, so I can, see the distance of, make sure I don't hit anything. Of course, now these mirrors that I added on, they, I like my mirrors. I've always, I guess I'm old-fashioned, but I like to make sure I've got good mirrors. But I've got to give Halo a hand on this. They have done really well as far as their camera system. And of course, I like one of them that I run a lot is the one that has the 3 on there. You got your rear at the top, you're at the bottom left, you've got the left-hand side, and then the right-hand side is down bottom right is the right-hand side. But, like I said, we're gonna keep trying this out. We're gonna see how it continues to work out. Backing into some campgrounds we're headed to. So far, so good. I'm really pleased with the way things are turning out with this system. All right, I'll get back with you just as soon as we get to a campground, so we can try it out a little bit. Folks, I just wanted to let you know on our trip going down to the campground, we going through some rain right now. It got pretty rough there. It was really anyways, it was too bad for me to show you then, but just want to let you know, in that rain, it never lost a signal. Just wanted to let you know that. Folks, we are backing into our camp spot here. Let's, and as you can see, using these cameras really come in handy. There's the pedestal where I'm going to plug up my shore power. Folks, I believe we're here. Let me show you exactly, as you can see, if you look real close, where I'm at. Now let me show you the outside, how good it lined me up on the walk around from the camper. Line me right here up where I'm gonna plug up my power. And as you can see, I mean, it took me exactly where I need to park. Oh, somebody left me some firewood to do some burning here with campfire. But yeah, it lined me up right here where I need to be. Folks, I highly recommend this Halo backup camera. It has really done a good job for us. I mean, it helped me line this camper up really straight. Like I said earlier, I'm old-fashioned with my mirrors, but I mean, it really lined me up good. The lights are great. Those antennas, they really do look sharp on this setup. All right, folks, I'll keep you posted on anything else that changes. Like I said, I'm hoping to get me a rear backup camera to add to that fourth camera to the tag, and that'll help me back things up, you know, as far as lining the truck up to the camper. But like I said, Haloview is, man, it's an awesome camera system. I highly recommend it. Thank you, folks.